Changing your profile picture on HBO Max is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Open HBO Max. Launch the HBO Max app on your device or visit the HBO Max website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access a drop-down menu, then select Manage Profiles or Profile Settings. Step 3. Select your profile. In the Profile section, find and select the profile you want to change the picture for. This will open the profile settings for the specific account. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Look for the option to change the profile picture. You may see a camera icon or an edit button next to your current profile image. Click on it to view available images or upload a new one. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting or uploading your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm the update. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on HBO Max. Enjoy your personalized viewing experience.